Sock Gear ShillSak Soft Cooler Bag. The Sock Gear ShillSak Soft Cooler Bag is a multiple function cooler bag that is not only ideal for keeping your drinks and canned beverages cold while you're out on the water, but also for keeping food cold, ensuring you have ice on hand, and even for keeping fish cold should you be into fishing while out on your kayak. While this is not one of the cheaper options on the market, the Sock Gear ShillSak Soft Cooler Bag is made from premium quality materials to ensure you get a more durable cooler bag to last you for several years. This cooler bag is airtight and contains special insulation on the inside to keep things cool. It also features a waterproof design and has an adequate internal space of up to 24 cans. An additional slip pocket makes it easy to store smaller items that you also wish to take with you. With all the positives stated, the only reason is you should to avoid this is because it's become increasingly more difficult to find it for sale on the market. It appears as though the manufacturer may have discontinued it, and you're better off with other options.